Hello everyone. Today we're focusing about the first portion from the developer using Git to upload to the GitHub central server. GitHub can be central server, can be GitLab, can be Bitbucket. For our demo, we're using GitHub because it's free and the most community user, and Git. So the developer, we pretending we are the developer. We have code is ready. So how to upload from developer to from using Git to GitHub? Okay, we learn. So we assume you are developer. We assume using Windows, or we using Linux. Linux you can upload same concept with Mac. If you are Mac, you can use Linux, same command. But if you are Windows, we using the both. We using two scenario: developer from Linux upload and developer from Windows upload. Okay, what we need first, we create a new. I will create new VM. I will call it all for test. I'll just call it Linux only, so we can test our code or everything here for testing. Generate next for tank. Okay, let him cloning. At the same time, I am in Windows. Git. They have Git is the old one. Is just command line is blue as black. Okay, for me I like to use Simder. Okay, is I will show you about Git and Simder. Is they have Simder is like command line, but it's look like more nice. Is like that. Is including Git, so they have Git same time. You can install the old one Git. Is they using the same engine, but for me I like this command line is coloring and others. For me I like to color. I don't like whole black or something like that. So I use Simder. If you install the mini is come without Git, but if you install the full will come with Git. If you see Git for Windows, okay, I click full, download full. We give me zip. We see our started already, so we start, and once it's done, I go to download file. Okay, just unzip, extract file here, extract. Okay, wait for extracting. Same time we check our Linux. Okay, the Linux is up and the zip is still opening. We access the Linux root. Okay, I want to see the IP. If config -a, the IP is 136. Actually, is bad practice you accessing by root, but because it's our server, we access by root. But in real life, nobody access by root by SSH. It's wrong practice. Okay, we hide this, and okay, from Linux we need let me change the name. Host name ctl set host name. I call it Linux bash. Okay, change the host name. I want just Git. So what we do, yum repo list. We have, I think, repo list direct. We need to connect to internet. Then we just install Git. From now we installing in Linux. We extracting the file in Windows. So we have Git we can use for Windows, or we can Linux. Anyway, the same command you apply here can apply on Mac. Okay, we have 3 repo, extra package, and Pace OS and upstream. So I say yum install Git, just like that. Okay, now the package is Git. Why install so many? This is the Git. We have around dependencies around 66 package. Okay, 66. Yes. Okay, installed. Okay, and Linux is GitHub has been installed. Anything in GitHub we start by Git, and sorry, in Git start by Git and the command. Okay, Git status. So far we have nothing. So what do? We go to /temp. We make directory. We call demo. we go inside the demo directory. Okay, we can initiate for here, just git init. Okay, now git status. Here we will start our video about Git. We learn about Git command, how to use and how to start. Just the basic first, git init, we initiate this directory to be Git repo. Okay, so if you go out from the directory, for example, I see git status, they don't know what's the repo. They don't have any repo here. But if you initiate any repo, now we initiate the inside the demo directory. Now git status will understand is the EC is nothing to comment, it's nothing to do anything. Okay, from here we will start learn about Git. This is in Linux. In Windows we will do the same things. Okay, we learn how to deploy from a laptop local repo to the remote repo is GitHub. We have to register in GitHub also. We make an account, it's free registration. Then we learn about Git and how to the developer, how they deploy the code to GitHub. Then we learn how to Git from GitHub. Okay, this is Linux. We go to the Windows. Okay, then after we extract in this directory, we go inside cmdr and you just launch the application. Okay, I like to use because you can use some command of batch, and I like the GUI of this cmdr, and is still using Git, so I can make it big. Same things, control, you press control and scroll up and down for the mouse. Now I see example ls, where am I with the file pwd, I am inside here, so I make directory. Or let me go out from here, cd pwd, or make directory. We can use the same command in Linux or Mac, make directory or call demo. Same things we do on Linux. If you see here, now we have demo. Okay, if we see git status, they show me it's not no repo, right? They don't understand. Okay, then we go inside this demo directory. Okay, let me clear. If I see git status, same things, they have nothing, no repo, so we initiate. So we make this as a repo, so we go initiate init. Now the git, you will make this directory as repo, so they ask you as a master. We will learn next video about master and everything, but now just this basic. At least we set up our software in Windows and Linux. So we just get, where's the okay, now I see git status, he will recognize this as repo, but you see is nothing to comment. Okay, now we have our ready Git in Windows, and we have Git ready in Linux. Next video we learn how to register on GitHub. After that we learn about Git and how the developer using Git and how we send and fetch. Okay, keep up and see you next video. Take care.